good, life is good, yeah. Life is good, life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like.
Hey folks, good morning. Day 8 of my trip around the Netherlands. I'm here on the island of Texel. Got to see it all in the dark last night. I find myself in the middle of the woods, in the middle of a place called De Cock's Door. First thing is, I'm like, how far away from the path I am? As soon as I unzip the door, there's a walker about 15 metres away. Yeah, so yeah, it's ridiculously late as well. I think it's about 8:30. So yeah, 25 past 8. So I need to get moving. So good morning folks again. I'm here in the village yourself. I've just got to do my rubbish. And it's a beautiful little place. I'm going to pop a look around. Yeah, I've just loop my chain because I never remember the day before. So this is the Cock's Dorp, not drop, Dorp. So I'm just going to head down there, and first points of interest today is going to be the lighthouse, because it looked spectacular at night time. Woo, woo, woo. But yeah, it's going to be better in the daytime. I've only seen half the island and it was all after dark, so can't really appreciate it. So let's head up there now. Actually, before I do, I'll just show you the state of my bike. Filthy everywhere. Done a lot of miles, and on the back we've got a couple of pair of socks drying off because they're from wet from yesterday's rain. They were left in the bag, so they never got laundered. That's the peg bag. It was disgusting, so I've just shoved that on there. Yeah, holding up nicely though. And that's the seat post. I finally get it on the right setting. It's hiding under all the crap somewhere. There's numbers all the way along, so you can get your right number, get your right measurement. So I think I've got it right now. Well, I've definitely got it right. Just me, my legs are tired. Right, let's get to that lighthouse. We've been checking out the tidal wall today. The sea wall. For now I'm just going to head down here. I nearly slept in a meadow last night. I'm glad I didn't, because apparently it's the largest meadow in the Netherlands, according to Martin Westel, one of the viewers of the channel, who messaged me last night talking about the island. He's been here on many holidays. Morning. And as you just saw, it's a place popular with bird watchers. Let's get to the hill. You don't want to watch me struggle up here, do you? Do you? Well, you're not going to. Morning. What a beautiful beach it is. Very wide beach, beautiful though. So this is the view from the top near the lighthouse. We've got beautiful dunes off in the distance there, and what a fantastic beach. So today's route, I'm heading down the west coast back on the mainland. It's 115k, so it's 10:15. Taking it quite easy today. Going in, let's enjoy this island, shall we? just had my lunch. Nice burger, Angus burger, and loaded fries. A couple of coffees are really, really nice. It's coming up to 12 o'clock though, or just after, so I need to start making tracks and get off this island and get me back onto the mainland, get some distance in. So I'm heading straight for the ferry now, off Texel Island. Hope you enjoyed sights and sounds, what I've shown you. Okay, for today is the Texel half marathon. Wow, if I'd known, I still wouldn't have entered. The most I've ever ran is 10k. That's enough for me, thank you very much. That was a good 4 or 5 years ago now. I can't wait to get off this island. No matter what windfinder.com says, it's not a tailwind. Hopefully I'll do a switcheroony once I get across onto the mainland itself, but here, no, definitely not a tailwind. I'm not lying, there you go. I love flags. You can never get enough of flags in this country. Always reliable, always telling you you've got a headwind. Arrived at the dunes. One of my favourite parts of riding the race around the Netherlands a couple of years ago. That 2,000 kilometre race, 6.5 days it took me. It was nowhere near as heavy. Unfortunately, the wind forecast is wrong throughout the coast here. Maybe I have to go inland, but it won't be as interesting. It's only middle of the afternoon, I've got about 70k to go. I don't need to rush, but I want to get there, survey the area, go into town, whatever, get some food, come back again, knowing where I'm going to be staying. So for instance, if I was planning on camping here, so much here in the daytime to see. Remember this well from the race around the Netherlands. That was early in the year, April, end of April, and these fields were all colourful, loads of tulips grown or whatever. I'm not a flower person, but and on the next field as well, which we'll go past in a moment, it's just waterlogged. Completely different in September, well October now. This whole area is beautiful. If I can find the exact name of where I am, I'll pop it up on the screen. I have a very good memory from that ride. I'd stopped overnight, 2-3 hours sleep, and got going again like 4 in the morning. And there was a city coming up at the end of this lot. After being a long section of beautiful trails like this, if you can call them trails. And as I emerged, there's somebody on a bike going to sea for a surf with a surfboard right underneath their arm. Only in the Netherlands, yeah. my lesson learned today is you can't trust the Dutch weather forecast at all, because it's just been windy, headwind all the way down, when the forecast was firmly for tailwind. Had a nice lie-in this morning, nice big meal, took in all the sights of Texel, and I thought I could still get down here with a lot of time to spare. And it looks like, well, the ETA so far for reaching the end of this route, another 50k, is within the golden hour. And total for today will be about 125, something like that. It's not even a big mileage day. Just suffering in the wind. And obviously general fatigue now, with this being day 8. Wish it was coming up to night time, pitching here. This would be perfect. As is always the case with wild camping, you're never in the right place at the right time. More sand dunes. About 4k from the next city, according to Garmin. I don't know what it's called, but it's probably the final place to stock up, get some supplies, and somewhere close to camp I found a water tap, so I'll save some money and not buy any water. By the way, see this path, these cobbles, I've got to get a lot of this in the Netherlands. When I reached out to Redshift, I never really thought that this would come in useful here. I'd forgotten how rough some of these cycle paths are, and having narrower tyres on than I'm used to, 38s instead of 45s, because I usually run like off-road tyres. I'm just flying over these. A lot of this I passed through, it must have been late evening time, I think, during the race around the Netherlands. Going on about the race again, it's the last time I'm here though. It just gave me, memories to cherish for a lifetime, I guess. And here I am again, doing it at a different pace. On that race, my objective was 300 kilometres a day, minimum. And at this point, I was probably halfway around, I think. I still had Limburg to go. I still had all the bit along the coast to go. through Rotterdam and everything. Yeah. But this is probably one of my favourite sections of the race, if not the favourite section. It's so beautiful. Sun's going down on another day, and got about 9k to go. Although I'm just looking for a water tap, I know where one is. I'm going to get to that and then just go find a spot, the nearest spot, which I fancy. So hopefully today I'm going to have better success. I know I've not always been showing you these sleeping spots, but I've been arriving dead late, so it's just been a case of cracking on and getting sorted. So after today, I've only got 2 more days of this trip to go. Do hope you've been enjoying watching the series. If you have, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up as well. Comment down below what have you thought about today's video. I mean, going through the dunes, seeing the hills, the amazing nature all around. I tried to showcase the best bits. As you see, I've had a bit of a break in the weather. I don't know what the next couple of days are going to be like. Fingers crossed it'll be more of the same, but can't take anything for granted. That's it, day 8 over with, and a great night in the tent. Join us for day 9. Don't forget to give this video a quick subscribe, hit the like button, and get commenting down there below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Right, see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye. Coming up next time on Bikepacking the Netherlands. An exciting day. Cross over into Amsterdam. Guess how much it is for bicycles. Funky smell in the air. I'm starting to go tired of this holiday now. Weather's just gone pear-shaped. Doesn't matter which direction I go, it's always bloody windy.
Life is good.